आज सीधा लंच दिखा रही हूँ. राइस विथ दाल के पकौड़े एंड दिस इज़ दाल पकौड़ी का सब्जी. And Mashi has also made a little bit of aloo posto. If you don't know, posto is poppy seeds. There, it's got aloo, poppy seeds, and jhinge. Jhinge is, you have to look out for the English word. It's some kind of a word, but yes. Look at Lizzie. Lizzie, are you interested to eat all this? I'll be going out, so I'm quickly wanting to finish my lunch, see my kids upstairs, and then head off. आज जो है, I had gone out for work, some work related things, and बहुत टाइम बाद, मतलब कलकत्ता में दोपहर को मैं निकली हूँ तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी अभी, लेकिन गर्मी में भी वापस आके मैं अभी क्या खा रही हूँ मैं आपको बताती हूँ. मतलब ये कोलकाता का ही है, क्योंकि मैं भी देखती हूँ कि मेरे व्लॉग में आई थिंक 40% सिर्फ खाने का ही होता है. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड आलू बिरयानी. मैं चिकन नॉनवेज नहीं खाती हूँ ना. ये थोड़ा सैलेड घर का है और ये थोड़ा उन्होंने दिया है. जितना हो पाएगा खाऊंगी, बाकी रख दूंगी. अच्छा, अगर आप कलकत्ता के नहीं हो और आपने फेमस आलू बिरयानी का सुना होगा, नहीं सुना होगा, दिस इज़ द आलू. मैंने आधा खा लिया, अब मेरे से नहीं खाया जा रहा है. जनरली ऑब्वियसली एक डब्बा तो नहीं खाया जाता, मैं पापा के लिए रख दूंगी. पापा और मैं जनरली शेयर कर लेते हैं. मेरे चक्कर में उनको भी चिकन नहीं खाना होता है. एनीवे, सो दिस इज़ द फेमस आलू. आधा मैंने खाया है. क्या कहते हैं, कोलकाता बिरयानी में आलू का जो स्वाद है, दुनिया एक तरफ और ये आलू वाला कोलकाता बिरयानी एक तरफ. ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई से दिस. आज जो है मैं ना बहुत ही एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने का सोच रही हूँ. अभी भी देखिए ना, वी कुडंट डू ऑल ऑफ दिस टुडे, क्योंकि कल बाकी जो भी किया था आज तो कुछ नहीं कर पाए अनपैकिंग का, क्योंकि मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ा. तो दोपहर के टाइम मैं नहीं थी, पापा यहाँ पे पूकी के साथ थे. मैं घर गई थी, खाना खाया, मैंने डाला क्लिपिंग्स, मैंने खाना खाया और फिर मैं बच्चों से मिली. ऊपर गई थी, वो क्लिपिंग लेना मैं भूल गई. बच्चों से मिली करके फिर मैं काम पे चली गई थी. काम मतलब वर्क रिलेटेड थिंग्स. तो मैं निकल गई थी और फिर मैं शाम को आई. अभी हाँ, तो मैं आज सोच रही थी मैं एक बहुत ही एक मूवी के बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ और उसके रिलेटेड एक एक्सपीरियंस भी बताना चाहती हूँ. देखती हूँ खाना वाना खत्म करके डिनर टाइम के बाद आराम से बात करूंगी आपसे, आपको ये एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बताऊंगी. छोटकू, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? छोटकू, पिकाटू, you open the mattress na, unpack the mattress, do some work for me, do some work for me, unpack. You'll only create havoc but not do anything fruitful. See where he's going now. Pika, what are we doing today? What are we doing other than doing dushtumi? What are we doing today, Pugu? Ay chotkuli, ay chi, what is that? What is that, Pugati? What is that, Chuntuli? Ay, Pikachu. 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 What are we doing, Chuntuli? Kuntu. Amar shona chele, amar pika chele. Ay, Puki. Last night I got so tired that I went off to sleep, and I don't know when is all this mess going to get complete. Whenever I start, recording, my eyes only goes to the mess that's going on behind with the unpacking. I'm just hoping that the unpacking gets over by this week, please, by this weekend, so the house is a little clean. Anyway, so last night I was wanting to speak to you folks about an experience that I've had, and it's related to a movie. But like I was saying, yeah, so getting back to the topic. So have you watched this movie called Laila Majnu? It's a 2017 release, if I'm not wrong, and it features Avinash Tiwari and Tripti Dimri. The story is by Imtiaz Ali, my favorite director in this universe at this point of time, and not at this point of time, from the time Imtiaz Ali has started making movies, I think the most relatable director I know of, where emotions and stuff are concerned, characterizations and all of that. We'll talk about Imtiaz Ali someday if that interests you. I am a big movie buff, and I love watching films, and I think every film has its good points. Some I absolutely don't like. For example, Animal, I hated that movie. Hate is a very strong word in my vocabulary, and I really hate that movie. Other than that, I even find the movies Shandar, and the movies that didn't do well, even those I find very interesting. For the fact that it involves movie making involves so many people and so many creative heads that it really astonishes me, the medium of entertainment that we get from movies. It astonishes me in a very good way. Anyway, coming back to Laila Majnu. So this movie is the most heartbreaking love story probably that one will come to see or get to see. If you've not watched Laila Majnu, please find a way to watch this movie, and you must. Like, I've made so many people watch it. Some of them acknowledge the fact that they've known Avinash Tiwari because of me. I take that as a compliment, because Avinash Tiwari is an beyond excellence actor, amazing actor. What he's done in Laila Majnu, I don't think even he can beat the character of Kais Bhatt. So yeah, so what happened was Laila Majnu, I'm not sure if you folks are aware that it got re-released in 25. Not in 25, in 24. It got re-released in 2024. Yes, I was traveling for work. I was in Bombay that weekend when it was re-released after 2017. In 2017, this movie was pulled off the theaters within 6 days of its release. It did not even complete a week. Whereas when it was released in 2024, it broke all records. And in a way, I just feel that Gen Z, I'm thankful to Gen Z for certain things that they do. See, every generation has their, good things and bad things, and I feel that though there are a lot of things that goes around, about Gen Zs, but I just feel they are one of the coolest generations. I am not a Gen Z, but I just feel that they are one of the coolest generation if you understand them. That's how I see it. So yes, and I think we all needed this kind of in today's time of just switching apps and swiping and being most frivolous in relationships. Re-release of Laila Majnu kind of does a lot to the mental state of all of us, who are who've been missing the strength of love, let's say. Laila Majnu is a tragic love story. You all must be knowing of the legendary characters, and it's a take on the actual Laila Majnu characters. Yeah, so I was traveling. I was see how I keep deviating when I talk about movies. I just love movies. Okay. Anyway, so I was in Mumbai for work, and that's the weekend when it got re-released, and I was like calculating, like, by the time I come back, what if it's not in the theaters again? I didn't want to miss it, so I had pre-booked my ticket in one of the theaters in Mumbai. And the day I reached, next day was next 2 days I had work. The day I reached, I made sure that I got the tickets for that particular day only. So in the evening, after reaching and checking in my hostel and all of that, I went to the theaters to watch this movie. If you're wondering why I'm still lying down and doing this discussion, because I woke up at 5 o'clock to feed Pookie, and I think it's 6:30 right now. I'm still very sleepy, but again I will get busy from 9 a.m. Till evening for sure, and I don't want to forget about it. That's why I'm like late के मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ ये जो experience रहा है मेरा. So when I was at the theater, there was a gentleman sitting next to me, and when the movie was before the movie was starting, I could make out that they are a group of a lot of friends. Maybe they were scattered here and there, and they were like screaming out to each other before the movie had started and talking to each other like that. So just I think just before the movie started, he asked me that what do you think about this movie? Have you watched it before? I said, of course I've watched it so many times. First time I had watched Laila Majnu was in YouTube years back. So I was telling him, yes, of course, and I've made so many people watch it and all of that. Then he said, do you think the movie is great or is the music better? I said, The music is amazing, yes, but it's an Imtiaz Ali story, so it's beyond the music, is what I feel. Though the music was trending that time, okay. Anyway, then after a couple of this, the movie started. The first half is like no, this conversation was happening during the interval, is it, or before the movie? I don't remember exactly. Anyway, so once the movie. No, this was before. And then the movie started, and the first half is like very light, okay. Now, in the interval, I'm suddenly seeing Avinash Tiwari walking down the tile in front of the screen. And mind you, I am a Kez Bhatt Paglu, okay. I'm like, I told this guy, is that Avinash Tiwari? And he's like, yes, it is. And the entire team, we are all in the theater. And I'm a part of the music team. That's when I realized he was one of the music directors of that movie, Joy. I felt so embarrassed that I literally told him on his face that the music is not as good as the movie. Maybe he thought that is not what I meant. What I meant was, I'm a big Imtiaz Ali fan, so if it's an Imtiaz Ali movie, the storyline is super, super, super great, is what I was trying to say. Anyway, I was like, I took a second, I was like, my breath is I'm going to stop breathing if I don't go out. I have seen Kez Bhatt, like Avinash Tiwari playing the character of Kez, but I was like, I'm going to die if I don't go and take a breath right now. So I just left the theater during the interval. I went out to get a bottle of water. And it was absolutely empty because people still hadn't started coming out. And from far, I'm seeing Avinash Tiwari along with two of his, bodyguards or escorts who were there. He's walking up. I just ran and I told him, I just told him a hi, and I'm like, can I get a picture with you? He was like, of course, yes. And then he's very tall and an extremely good looking man. And when I was taking the picture, my hand was like shivering. So the picture was like, shaking. And he realized that I did not get a clear picture. So when he was going, he did his classic Kez Bhatt head nod and gave me one more clear picture. Oh my God! I'll probably post a shots of that event. And then I was like, oh, my day is done, all of that. So then went inside and the movie started. So before the second half, all of them, Tripti, Dimri, Avnash, the entire team, they were like, that we are here and we're going to watch the rest of the movie with you folks. So they were all sitting towards the end, and throughout the movie it was. And then in the second half, jo main roi hu, the way I started crying sitting next to the music director of the film, it was embarrassing to a different level, but I knew that everybody in the theater was crying. And at the end of the movie, when all of them, all the members of the the team members, all of them went in front of the screen, and it was a beautiful celebration. And that's when every other girl was walking up to Avnash, getting pictures and all of that. So I was about to leave the theater, but then I just thought, like, one more minute with him maybe. I went up to him and I just said, I don't need any pics. I'm sure he recognized me because I was the only one in the interval who had taken a picture with him. So I'm sure he recognized me. I hope he did, even for that second. So when I went up to him and I said that I don't want a picture, but can I just get a hug from you? And he's like, yeah, sure, why not? And Kez Bhatt, Avnash Tiwari hugged me. That's one of the most precious moments in my life, to feel the warmth of a person who's portrayed a character that complicated, that beautiful. What an artist, what blessings of God he must be carrying, is what I had felt. And trust me, I was wearing a very cool t-shirt that day, जिसके पीछे ना लिखा हुआ है कि कौन है जिसने दोबारा मुड़ के मुझे नहीं देखा. I'm a bit of a drama, yeah. So I was wearing that kind of a t-shirt, and see, I've got tears in my eyes. And till date, it was a relatively new t-shirt. I think I had worn for the second time or third time. उसके बाद से ना मैंने वो टी-शर्ट धोया है, ना मैंने उस टी-शर्ट को पहना है. That t-shirt is just folded and kept. And while unpacking, जब वो t-shirt हाथ लगा, that's when I thought that I must discuss this experience with you folks. वो टी-शर्ट जो है ना कभी धुलेगी, ना वो मैं कभी पहनूंगी, क्योंकि उसमें जो है कहते हैं ना कि it's a precious gift from God that I could even come close to somebody who's such a blessed actor. So yes, that was my story. And अगर आपने लैला मजनू नहीं देखा है, please watch it. This movie, the director of this movie is Shadili. The story is by Imtiaz, yeah. But please watch the movie if you haven't. Last night ना माशी gave me dinner. यहाँ पे 2 रोटी और माशी made क्या कहते हैं तड़का जो होता है ना, वो ग्रीन मूंग दाल वाली, सुपर विथ एग एंड ऑल, वेरी नाइस शी मेड. लेकिन मैं इतनी टायर्ड थी, मैंने बस 1 रोटी खाया और मैं सो गई थी. तो अभी मैं बाकी ये वाला ख़त्म करूँगी. इस घर में अभी भी मेरे पास फ्रिज नहीं है, तो आई नीड टू फिनिश. भूख भी लगी है. और यहाँ पे सर ने खा लिया है आधा खाना उनका सुबह 5 बजे. और या लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली ईट दिस. वन मोर थिंग गाइज, माय पुकी ना, वो बचपन से मेरे साथ अकेला रहा है. सो ही इज़ ऑलवेज हैड दिस वेट फूड एंड ड्राई फूड, ठीक है. बट नाउ दैट आई एम इन माई होम टाउन, लाइक मेरा घर यहीं पे तो है. सो माशी एंड डैड दे सेंड चिकन, फिश, चिकन लिवर. सो चिकन लिवर तो वो अच्छे से खाता है, लेकिन चिकन और फिश दोनों में उसको ना कुछ ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं था बचपन में भी. तो अभी होम फूड मैं सोच रही थी कि थोड़ा होम फूड खाएगा तो हेल्दी भी रहेगा ना, एज़ कम्पेयर टू कमर्शियल फूड. लेकिन ये कैसा बिल्ला है, ना ये मछली खाता है, ना ये चिकन ढंग से खाता है. चिकन लिवर खा लेता है. सो इन केस एनी ऑफ यू नो हाउ शुड आई चेंज हिज diet from wet food and dry food to home cooked food, please let me know now. He's my first cat, so I really don't know much about how to change their diet and all that. He is 8 months old right now, and he's with me from the time he's like 1.5 2 months. So how do I switch him, like how do I switch him to make him eat home cooked chicken and fish? This is one ripe banana from our tree. Remember I showed it in one of the vlogs. If you haven't checked, then you should see the number of bananas that has come up in one of our banana plants in the garden. So yeah, ये हमारे plant का है. इसका बहुत ही अजीब सा शेप नहीं लग रहा? Let me just taste and see. मीठा है. Oh, I'm happy. मीठे लोगों के लिए मीठे फ्रूट्स. हम सब बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं हमारे घर पे, इसीलिए हमारे फ्रूट्स भी बड़े मीठे वाले आते हैं. बहुत वियर्ड सा है बट स्वीट है.